Hello everyone, this is Lynn and welcome back to our yoga session. And today we're going to do poses that women over 40 should need. And these poses are, it's not for flexibility, but this is for what our body actually needs. Okay, so let's start. So that's all for now, guys. So just a tip or a reminder that every or before you do that poses, don't forget to warm up yourself. Okay? So thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.